Hi guys, it's Mark here down at TC Boxes. I'm the warehouse manager. I'm here to give you a quick rundown on this awesome D-Max behind me. For this build, most importantly, I'm going to be ripping that tub off and whacking on one of our tough 1650 trays with no headboard. On top, I'll be putting a 1500 Goldwing Canopy that's going to be custom powder coated black with white doors. The reason I'm going with the Canopy is I have a large family and I need a bit of space in the back, but I also wanted to have a bit of versatility with the tray at the edge. Underneath will go the 750 under trays. They'll also get custom powder coated with black with white doors. On the front we'll be getting a Arb Summit Bar, solar spotties and the Worn Evo winch. We will move on and get it track ready at Fulcrum suspensions with the Formula 4x4 lift kit. To finish her off nicely, we'll have some Pro Comp wheels and some BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres to go on. That sums it up. First things first, we're down here at Arb Traralgon getting the D-Max fitted up with the Arb Summit Bar, the solar spotties and the Worn winch. We're down here at Fulcrum Suspension in Pakenham, getting the D-Max fitted with the Formula 4x4 suspension upgrade. Getting it ready to hold the weight of the new tray that's going on soon, along with the canopy and all the accessories going in as well.
We always measure for 4 heights, one of center of wheel to guard. The second one is the chassis to the ground to give you a rake indication. Then these measurements are also taken after doing the suspension package to ensure we are gaining the correct height required for the vehicle.
Alright guys, we've just finished up at Fulcrum. We've come straight down here to Tyreright here in Pakenham. They're going to fit some new BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres on this bad boy and some new Pro Comp wheels. Sick. That'll work. Looks good as. Perfect.